Let me show you how to compare companies on Glassdoor. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. If you have multiple options and find difficulty on choosing a company, in today's video, let me show you the way that you can use Glassdoor in order to select the right one for you. You just need to head over to the company section. Now, previously there was a separate tool which lets you compare these companies, but recently it now has been removed. But however, I'm going to show you a different method or a manual way that you can still use Glassdoor in order to compare the companies. So you just need to search for companies that you're trying to compare, or you can just select one of these options. In this list as well, you can add in the company name that you're trying to compare. Once you click on it, it opens up in a new tab, and then you can repeat the same process for other companies that you're trying to compare as well. Just like this, make sure you open up all of the companies that you're trying to compare. What you need to do now is you can switch over to these tabs that are visible on the company profile. Now, this is going to be very objective depending upon what you're looking for. It will all depend if you're looking for a better pay, if you're looking for variations in your job, or if you're looking for some benefits that a company may give. So you can switch between the reviews, the salaries, as well as the benefits tab, and take a look at all of these information so that you can get a better view of what each of these companies provide. For example, your main objective is to get a better salary. You can just focus or mainly focus on the salary tab and take a look at what your position is currently getting or what is the current range. So you can do the same for other companies that you're trying to compare if salary is your main thing. You can add in your job title, add in your location, and take a look at the comparison of different companies. Similarly, if you're looking for benefits, you can hop over to the benefits tab on all of the companies that you're trying to compare and take a look at what benefits each of these companies provide. As I said, these things are going to be objective and will depend upon what you are trying to focus on more. So this is the exact way that you can use Glassdoor to compare companies. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.